Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another sneaker video. Today I have just absolute heat. I want to show you guys a quick look at these shoes that I was able to pick up. The KAWS Air Jordan 4. As you can see right there, size 11. These were got off the KAWS drop that was off the release. It was like a raffle system that they did for it. I printed out the receipt from there. I don't know where to really start with this shoe. The details on this is crazy. I've already put these on and tried them on and stuff. So here's the hang tag that comes with it first and foremost. You see it has the 2 X's for KAWS, and then it has the Jumpman on the back. Next you get this little card, and on the back you have the little hands applauding and clapping right there. I don't know if the light can get you to see that pretty well, but it's all over the back. And next you get this dust bag with the 2 X's and the air on there. And when you flip that over, you also get the hands clapping right there. And it has some really nice little lace tips on the drawstring bag. So as soon as you're getting to open this, you get the 2 X's in the air on the paper. You flip this back, you get the shoes right here. So here's the shoe. The glow on it is crazy, just out of the box really. I've already brought these out and tried them on and kind of just put them against the light and turn the lights off, and they glow super crazy. Here's the bottom. It's really hard to see the hands on the top part, but right here you do see the hands. The craftsmanship on this, I would say, is really great. I don't see any glue marks or anything like that. Overall, I think it's a really great and well done sneaker. As you can see, the suede on it is crazy long. It's like a really long hair suede. Get some wax laces on it with the Jumpman logo here on the tongue that's embossed. Just the quality on this is ridiculous. Everything on here is either suede or nubuck. The whole midsole right here, as you can see, it changes color, is all suede. The wings right here are suede, or it's like a short hair nubuck. Right here you do get some details that are kind of hard to see since it is an all dark gray shoe or black shoe. You have the stitching of the hands going all the way through, and on the back you have the 2 X's in air. And I don't know how great you can see in there, but it has the Jumpman and the KAWS logo. Also, the inside right here, at least from where I can feel, is all leather. So it will fit a little bit bigger for my, for me putting it in. I'm a true 11.5, and the 11 fit me pretty good. I could say you could go down a half size. I've seen other people say that they fit really snug on them. I'm not too sure on the sizing. I don't know if it was just different for each pair. But like I said, I'm a true 11.5. I wear 11.5, 12. These 11s fit me pretty much like an 11.5. It's just a really crazy dope shoe. All the details that went into this are amazing. I don't know, I can't really explain in hand how it is. It's just the premium quality that they use on it. You don't really see that on Jordan brand stuff anymore. The suede, especially that long hair suede is amazing. The nubuck is really great. The stitching is perfect. I don't really see any flaws that I will say kind of throw it off. The only thing that comes to mind is this tongue right here. It's kind of misshapen. It has a little bump on it, but I guess that's just a factory flaw or whatever. Jordan brand still isn't the best with their quality stuff, so I'm not really hitting too hard on that. Some of my 4s are already like that, where they have the tongue that's a little bit lopsided or whatever, so I'm not really stressing that too much. But really digging the shoe overall. This is the one I tried on. They're a little bit lace different, had the lacing switched up, but like I said, the glow on these is ridiculous. It's crazy. So let me know what you guys think about this shoe down in the comments below. I know a lot of people were saying it was their top pickup or whatever of 2017. For me, I really do like the shoe, but I'm thinking I'm gonna trade it off to my friend or sell it to him because it's just really not my style. I'm kind of scared to wear these and get the suede messed up or something like that. And I know it's a shoe and I wear all my shoes, and I just don't want to see these get messed up pretty bad. I'll sell it to my friend who's a collector, or trade them off where I know they'll be in good home or something like that. Or I'll just put these in a glass case and set them up just because how great these are in hand. For the $350 price point, I will say it's a little bit high, but you're getting really great quality out of the shoe. Hey, but that is going to be it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.